Hello, in this mini training video, we will cover how to create an ocean wave effect with resin. First, you should know that the standard types of resin used in coffee table and table castings may not always be suitable for this application. The ocean wave effect is created using specially formulated epoxies with a thicker consistency, where the resin-to-hardener ratio is typically 100%. However, in some brands, the hardener ratios may vary. The same applies to the white resin pigment used for the wave effect. Standard white pigments may not achieve the desired result. The resin and pigment brand we use, specially made for creating the ocean wave effect, is shared in the subscribers only section of our Autowood Instagram page. In this video, we will demonstrate the technique on a walnut serving board. However, the same methods can be applied to other items like tables, coffee tables, or clocks. Now, let's discuss how to create the ocean wave effect with resin. First, prepare mixes of the colors you want to use. According to the size of your application area, prepare a separate group of clear resin and white pigmented resin. Epoxies used for the wave effect usually have a high hardener ratio, so the application must be completed within 20 minutes. Otherwise, the curing reaction will prevent you from achieving the desired effect. At this stage, the colors you use are entirely up to your personal preference. In this video, we chose shades of blue and turquoise. First, pour the dark blue resin onto the surface and use a stick to spread it evenly. Then, pour the lighter blue resin, and gently blend the areas where the colors meet to create a smooth transition. To make the wave effect look more realistic, pour clear resin over the colored layers. Then, lightly apply white pigmented resin along the edge of the clear resin. With practice, you'll learn to add just the intensity of the white pigment to achieve the desired effect. The tool we use to create the wave effect is a heat gun. However, if you don't have one, a hair dryer can be used as an alternative. Using the heat gun, gently move it over the white pigmented resin on top of the other layers to create the foamy wave effect. The heat thins the resin and helps the white pigment spread naturally. Carefully observe the distance between the heat gun and the resin, as well as the hand movements in the video. At this stage, the white pigmented resin will gradually start to spread and form the foamy wave effect. Continue applying patiently until the desired look appears, but never bring the heat gun too close to the resin to speed up the process. Once you achieve the desired effect, continue applying the same technique to the side areas. If the wave effect isn't strong enough, you can repeat the process using more white pigmented resin. For larger surfaces, if your application takes longer than 20 minutes, wait until the next day to apply a second layer and repeat the same steps. You can ask any questions you have in the comments section. See you in the next training video.